In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Etsy seller account. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, accessing your account is the first step toward managing your shop and making those sales. So let's dive in and make sure you can log in smoothly. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Etsy website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.etsy.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on Etsy's homepage, a colorful and vibrant space filled with unique products and creative inspiration. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account. If you're new to Etsy, you might notice several options for signing in. Etsy offers the convenience of logging in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. This can be a handy option if you prefer not to remember yet another password. However, if you've set up your Etsy account with an email, you can simply enter your email address and password in the provided fields. If you're choosing to sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple, just click on the corresponding button. For Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account and then grant Etsy permission to access your basic profile information. Similarly, with Facebook, you'll be asked to log into your Facebook account and authorize Etsy. For Apple users, you'll need to authenticate with your Apple ID. Each of these methods is generally quick and secure, especially if you're already logged into these services on your device. In case you're going the email route, after entering your email and password, click the Sign In button. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply click on the Forgot Your Password link, and Etsy will guide you through the steps to reset it. They'll typically send a password reset link to your registered email, making it easy to regain access. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, you should find yourself logged into your Etsy seller account. From here, you can manage your shop, check your orders, update listings, and much more. If you're ever having trouble signing in, make sure your internet connection is stable and you're using the correct login method associated with your Etsy account. And there you have it. You're now signed into your Etsy seller account, ready to explore all the tools and features Etsy provides to help you manage and grow your business. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.